Hello, seniors. I had asked you earlier this week to create an account on a website called No Red Ink. It looks like nobody has done this yet, or yeah, I don't think anybody has done this yet, but there was an announcement. We're going to be using this No Red Ink website for the remainder of quarter 2, just because I'm noticing some of you are struggling with the grammar work that we have, and some of you are cruising right through it. And this website basically gives you the ability to work at your own pace. So you're going to need to create an account. You're going to do that by clicking on the link. Now this is my teacher dashboard, and it will show me the students that I have. At this point, it looks like I have no students. Boo. I need you guys to log in and set up a profile. Basically, it just is going to ask you your name, some interests, and then it's going to ask you to take what we call a No Red Ink diagnostic. This is a test that's going to show me, as your teacher, what skills you have and what skills you need to work on. And that will help me be able to better fine-tune your ELD, your English language development work around what you need, rather than just doing the same thing for everybody, okay? So please, please, please take some time today and set this up. So if you could make sure that you do that today, which is Friday, and take that diagnostic test today, which is Friday, that will put us in a great spot for next week to be able to tailor lessons to fit your individual needs. Thanks, guys.